In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop a photo into a circle in Adobe Express. If you're creating a profile picture, a team headshot, or a rounded graphic for a social post, a circular crop keeps the focus exactly where you want it. We'll do this directly inside Adobe Express, and it works the same on the web and on mobile. First, open your design in Adobe Express. This can be any existing project or a new layout you're already working on. Make sure the photo you want to crop is on your canvas. If you're switching between tabs or apps, give the project a second to load so the editing panel appears on the right on desktop or along the bottom on mobile. Next, select the image you want to turn into a circle. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box around it and the editing controls pop up. If you don't see those controls, click or tap the photo again to confirm it's active. With the image selected, find and click the crop tool in the editing panel. On desktop, it looks like a crop icon. On mobile, it's in the toolbar once the image is selected. This opens your crop options. In the crop menu, switch to the Shape section. This tells Adobe Express that you want to crop the picture into a preset shape rather than using a free-form rectangle. Choose the circle shape. Instantly, your photo is placed inside a circular frame. To fine-tune the look, open the settings by tapping the small gear icon next to the shape options. Here you can adjust scale to zoom in or out, and rotation to straighten or add a slight tilt. Drag the image within the circle to reposition it so the most important part, like a face or a logo, sits nicely in the center. Take a moment to check the edges. You don't want to cut off a chin, hairline, or a key detail unless that's intentional. When everything looks right, apply the crop to confirm it. Your image is now neatly cropped as a circle inside your design. If you change your mind later, you can always reselect the photo and return to the crop settings to make adjustments without starting over. That's it. You've learned how to create a clean, circular photo in Adobe Express quickly and confidently. Stick around for more simple tips that make your designs look polished with just a few clicks.